Hello, I am Manuel, I am from Spain, and I am studying here in the Language Center. I come here because I know that the courses here are really good. It's a really worldwide university. It has international students everywhere, so they know really well what they are doing. And also, Newcastle is a really good place to study because it has a lot of facilities, of amenities. You can go to the cinema, you can go to the nightclubs, you can go to the beach to learn surf. There is a lot of things to do here. And it's one of the reasons because I choose this university. My English has improved a lot. I am honestly very surprised about that 6 months ago I was totally unable to speak English, and in a couple of months I was totally able to read a book, and in about 4 months I was totally able to have a conversation, even at high level, about topics such as politics or whatever. So I think that to come to this place is a very good choice. Thank you.